So yesterday at the mud bog, everything was going hunky-dory. The old girl did a fine job. Went everywhere, mainly in two-wheel drive. Got stuck one time though, but I will say this. Had it not been for that creek only being about my height wide and about 10 foot deep, we'd have went on through, because this old girl right here was in the bank on the other side. So there was nothing I could do about that. Yes, it got stuck, I know, okay, damn. On to the first happening. We had an issue with wiring. A buddy of mine got stuck, had to use this girl for a hot minute. And when I mean hot minute, I mean like, that's how hot of a minute. We roasted the alternator wiring. So I went back in, revamped the wiring, and I think we're not gonna have a problem anymore because boy, she's got some heavy gauge wire running to the alternator now. Let me explain to you the reasoning why it failed the first time. All right, so the alternator wiring come off from right here. It run into this harness up behind the battery, fused in the starter relay, and then run over here to the battery. So there was a lot of length of wire. Now, my main power wire is a single, or no, let's see, number 8 gauge and 2 strands of it. So you might as well say single lock, running from the post straight to the alternator. We should not have no problem no more. Whereas the other wiring that used to be there, it was like 10 gauge, 1 strand, 4 feet long. No wonder, you know. Extra crisper. Hell yeah, brother. The new shit is 2 8-gauge strands, which translates to single lock, or single lock and a half, only a foot long. Well, I tell you what,